All right, to create a polar graph in a spreadsheet, format your data in a table with two columns and put titles at the top of your columns. Highlight both columns. And then the type of chart you're going to insert is called a radar chart. And there's a lot of options to format this chart to make it look different. And obviously, if you made this cam, you would not have all these hard angles. You would make smooth arcs connecting all the points except for the drop off right there. But this is what your graph will look like in Excel. And it's also very similar in Google Sheets. So if you're using Google Sheets, format your data the same way and insert a radar chart.